Welcome to this tutorial on how to use stop-loss orders in Webull. If you are looking to minimize your risks while trading, setting up a stop-loss can be a smart strategy. In this video, we will walk you through the steps needed to set a stop-loss order on your Webull account. First, log into your Webull app and select the stock you are interested in trading. Once you are on the stock's detail page, look for the options to place an order. Tap on the Trade button and you will see various order types. Choose the option for a sell order. Next, look for the stop-loss option. Here, you will need to set the price at which you want your stop-loss to trigger. For example, if you own shares of a stock currently priced at $100 and you want to limit your loss to $10, you would set your stop-loss at $90. Make sure to review the settings carefully, and once you're satisfied, confirm the order. That's it. You have successfully set a stop-loss order on Webull. Remember that this order will only execute if the stock hits the specified price. Using stop-loss orders can help you protect your investments, so make sure to use them wisely in your trading strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.